guys, welcome back to another PE lesson. Today we are going to be doing 5 goals. Alright, we're going to be working on our hockey hits or our control with scoring a goal with accuracy. You need 5 balls, I've got 5 tennis balls. You need a hockey stick, I'm gathering not many of you have those, so I'm going to use a broomstick. I don't have a hockey stick either, Mr. Cracknell does. And you need a goal, so I'm going to be hitting towards the bucket there. Alright, 5 goals is all you need, not in a row. In a row is very tricky. I've already tried that, I was rubbish, so I'm going to try 5 goals in total. Play 3 rounds, start the clock when you hit your first ball and finish when you score your last 5th goal. 3 rounds, best time wins. If you're playing with a partner, play against them 1 round at a time. Best time for each round is the winner. I'm going to set up and then we'll get into it. Alrighty, so I've placed the balls about 3 steps from the goal. So I'm using a bucket, as you can see, and I'm going to try and score from there. Alright, 5 goals. It's very tricky. Mr. King is a professional, Mr. Cracknell is also a professional. Hopefully I can beat one of their scores. Alrighty, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go!
In my mind, said I know. In my mind, said I know.
Round 1. One minute 29. It's time to beat, right? Setting up for round 2.
I'll turn her back around.
3, 2, 1, go!
And I'll turn her back around. Said I don't wanna leave you lonely. You gotta make me change my mind. Said I know. Said I give me one reason to stay here, and I'll turn her back around. Give me one reason to stay here, and I'll turn her back around. Said I don't wanna leave you lonely. You gotta make me change my mind.
Round 2, 1 minute 44 seconds. Not as quick. That's okay. Time for round 3.
In my mind.
Alright, still got to beat 1 minute and 29. Round 3, last chance. Here we go.
3, 2, 1, go!
I know that you got it right. In my mind, said I know. In my mind, turn her back around.
Right, 1 minute and 11 seconds. That's your time to beat. Good luck. Make sure you focus on your control. Play this one before you play the zigzag dribble and shoot with Mr. King. Okay, because this one will get your technique working beforehand. Hopefully have fun and hopefully we'll see you back at school soon. See you guys.